Welcome. This guide addresses Outlook sync errors on iPhones and Android devices. Sync errors can prevent you from receiving emails, updating your calendar, or syncing contacts. We'll provide troubleshooting steps to resolve these issues and keep your Outlook running smoothly. Outlook's strength lies in its ability to synchronize data across multiple devices. This ensures you have the most up-to-date information, regardless of whether you're using your phone, tablet, or computer. Syncing errors disrupt this seamless experience and can lead to missed communications or scheduling conflicts. Several factors can cause sync errors in Outlook. Let's examine the most common ones: incorrect account settings, weak or unstable internet connections, outdated app versions, problems with the Outlook server, and conflicting settings on your device. Incorrect account settings are a frequent cause of sync errors. This happens when your email address, password, or server configuration is wrong. Look for authentication error codes like 0x80072E7. Weak or unstable internet connections can interrupt the sync process, leading to timeouts and failed updates. This is especially common on cellular data or poor Wi-Fi. Outdated app versions can cause compatibility issues with newer operating systems or server updates. Always keep Outlook updated to the latest version. Problems with the Outlook server, such as outages or maintenance, can prevent syncing. Microsoft servers occasionally have downtime that affects sync. Conflicting settings on your device, like battery optimization on Android or background app refresh limits on iPhone, can stop Outlook from syncing in the background. We will cover how to identify and fix each of these causes in the following sections. The first step in fixing Outlook sync errors is to check your internet connection. A stable connection is essential for Outlook to sync properly with Microsoft servers. Start by testing your connection. Open a web browser on your device and try to access a website like google.com. If the page loads quickly, your connection is likely good. If your connection seems slow or unreliable, try switching to a different Wi-Fi network if available, or switch to cellular data to test if the issue is with your Wi-Fi. Sometimes connectivity issues can be resolved by restarting your router. Simply unplug the router from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and allow it to restart completely. Outdated apps can have bugs that cause sync problems. Go to the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android and search for Microsoft Outlook. If an update is available, install it. App updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. On iPhone, open the App Store, search for Microsoft Outlook, and check for updates. If an update is available, tap to install it. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Microsoft Outlook, and check for updates. If an update is available, tap to install it. A simple restart can resolve many technical issues with Outlook Sync. First, turn off your iPhone or Android device completely by holding the power button and following the on-screen prompts. Once the device is off, wait at least 10 to 15 seconds to ensure all processes fully shut down. This brief pause allows temporary files to clear from memory. Finally, press and hold the power button again to turn your device back on. Allow it to fully boot up, which may take a minute or two. Incorrect account settings are a common cause of sync errors. In the Outlook app, go to Settings, then tap on your email account. Verify that your email address, password, and server settings are correct. Double-check for typos or outdated information. If your account settings are correct but syncing still fails, try removing and re-adding your Outlook account on your iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app and navigating to Mail, then Accounts, and select Outlook. Once in your Outlook account settings, scroll down and tap Delete Account. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete or Yes to proceed. This removes the account from your iPhone, but doesn't delete your Outlook data. After deleting, return to the Accounts menu and tap Add Account. Select Outlook from the list, then enter your email and password. Follow the prompts to complete setup. Your emails, calendar, and contacts should now sync properly. To fix sync errors on Android, start by opening the Outlook app. Tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines in the top left, and select Settings to access your account options. Once in Settings, tap on your account's email address listed there. Scroll down and select the Delete Account option. This will remove the account configuration from your device, which can resolve sync issues. After deleting the account, go back to Settings. Tap Add Account, select Outlook from the available options, and enter your email and password to sign back in. This fresh setup often fixes sync problems. On Android devices, clearing the app cache can resolve sync issues. Start by opening Settings on your Android device. Next, scroll down in Settings and tap on Apps to access the list of installed applications. In the Apps menu, locate and tap on the Outlook application from the list of installed apps. Within the Outlook app information page, tap on Storage to view storage-related options. In the Storage menu, tap Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that might be causing sync issues. Important note, do not tap Clear Data unless you want to reset the app completely and lose all settings. Clearing cache only removes temporary files. Sometimes, Outlook sync errors can be caused by issues on Microsoft's servers. If your connection is stable and app settings are correct, the problem might be server-side. Visit Microsoft's Service Health dashboard to check for any known outages or issues affecting Outlook services. To check the server status, go to Microsoft's Service Health page. This dashboard shows the current health of all Microsoft services, including Outlook and Exchange Online. Look for the status of Outlook and Exchange Online in the service list. The dashboard will indicate if there are any advisories, outages, or ongoing issues. Step 2 involves checking the status specifically for Outlook services. If you see an advisory or outage listed, that's likely the cause of your sync problems. In Outlook itself, you can also check the connection status in the app's interface. The status bar often shows if you're connected to Microsoft Exchange. If the Service Health dashboard shows an issue with Outlook or Exchange Online, you'll need to wait for Microsoft to resolve it. According to recent reports, most server-side issues are fixed within 24 hours through Microsoft's support channels. Android's battery optimization features can sometimes interfere with Outlook syncing. These features limit background app activity to save battery, but this can prevent Outlook from syncing properly. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From Settings, select Apps or Apps and Notifications to access app settings. Scroll through the list of apps and tap on Outlook to open its settings. In the Outlook app settings, select Battery to access battery optimization options. Ensure that battery optimization is turned off or set to Don't Optimize for Outlook. This allows the app to run in the background without restrictions, enabling proper syncing. By disabling battery optimization for Outlook, you allow the app to sync properly in the background, resolving potential interference. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Outlook account by requiring a second verification step beyond your password. This prevents unauthorized access even if your password is compromised. If you're experiencing sync errors, two-factor authentication might be the culprit. Common issues include not receiving verification codes or problems with your Authenticator app. First, verify that your phone number is correct in your Microsoft account settings. Go to account.microsoft.com and check the Security Info section. Second, ensure your Authenticator app is set up correctly. Open the app and verify it's generating codes for your Outlook account. If codes aren't appearing, you may need to re-add the account. Third, if issues persist, generate a new app password. Visit your Microsoft account security settings and create a new app password specifically for Outlook. Use this password instead of your regular account password in the app. Authentication errors often indicate a problem with your password or account credentials. These errors occur when Outlook cannot verify your identity to access your emails, calendars, and contacts. To resolve authentication errors, start by resetting your password through the Microsoft account website. This ensures you have a valid, up-to-date password for your account. Next, when adding or re-adding your account to the Outlook app, make sure you're using the correct password. Double-check for typos or case sensitivity to avoid further authentication issues. Following these steps should resolve most authentication errors. If issues persist, consider checking your internet connection or contacting Microsoft support. App and device conflicts can interfere with Outlook syncing. Conflicting apps or device settings can sometimes disrupt the background processes that Outlook needs for synchronization. First, close other apps running in the background on Android. This prevents conflicts that might interfere with Outlook's syncing process. Next, on iPhone, close apps running in the background. iOS restrictions on background processes can halt Outlook syncing, so clearing these helps. Finally, ensure your device's date and time are set correctly. Incorrect settings can cause synchronization conflicts, as Outlook relies on accurate timestamps for syncing. Virtual private networks can sometimes disrupt Outlook syncing by interfering with the connection to Microsoft servers. Try disabling your VPN temporarily to see if it resolves the issue. If it does, you may need to adjust your VPN settings or use a different VPN service. Sync fixes must prioritize security to prevent errors and protect data. Security standards like Zero Trust authentication help maintain account access and data integrity. This layered security approach, shown in the diagram, includes protecting data, apps, devices, networks, and more. Each layer works together to keep your Outlook sync secure. Stay updated with evolving standards to avoid sync issues related to authentication and access. Regular updates ensure your data remains secure and sync errors are minimized. To recap the troubleshooting steps for Outlook sync errors, we've covered checking your internet connection, updating the Outlook app, restarting your device, verifying account settings, removing and re-adding your account, clearing the app cache, checking Microsoft server status, adjusting device-specific settings like battery optimization and background refresh, addressing authentication issues, and considering VPN interference. By following these steps in order, you should be able to resolve most sync errors on your iPhone or Android device. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you're still experiencing sync issues, visit the Microsoft Support website for more detailed troubleshooting steps, or contact Microsoft Support directly.